Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about windows or tabs in our Gauge Plus Taiko. How we can able to navigate. See, in if you choose for any programming language like Selenium or Playwright, if you want to handle for switching between the windows or tabs, then there is a process, right? You have to first get the parent window. Then you need to get the child window and then you need to do for loop from the selenium, okay, for each loop, and you can use and then iterate, and you need to, if parent and child is not equal, which is coming, then you can go for inside and then you need to do some operation, then you have to switch back. If you are not switch back, it will not work out, right? Again, it is a problem of that. And if you use for playwright, you have to use the page dot on permissions. That permission you have to create the new page, and that new page, whenever you want to switch, you have to use the new page value, and then you need to switching. There is no switch concept, but it is needed to do for take the permission of the new tab window, and then you have to do. If you want to work out, then you need to use the first page values, right? And here, how you can able to use is the simplest way. There is no much like no need to switch or no need to take the permission, but you have to give that particular page title or URL or anything. Okay, how it will work. See now, if I click this particular element, it will navigate into a new tab, and this new tab I need to verify whether it will be switched or not. Okay, for this they have provided the concept of in the Taiko documentation. If you go and search for the switch to, and here this API will provide you like how to switch. By using this particular API, you can able to use for switching between the tabs or windows using URL or page title or window name. Any one of them you can able to use and you can able to switch into that particular place. How we can able to do, I'll show you for the title and the URL. Okay, how you can able to do. Windows name is the easiest way, that also, but you can take for this two now, as of now. Okay, now for this we need to create the file tc07 windows dot spec, and then for the steps you have to create for windows underscore step dot js file. And if you go to here, and we need to create the feature like multiple window or tabs handle and demo window or tabs code, and open Windows browser, click and verify new window. Okay, now the first we can take this, and I'll come back here. Now here, hmm, the step we are need to open the URL. Oh, sorry. And wait, go to, and then we can provide our URL. Okay, and then we need to use the step to click on the link. Okay, here we are going to use to click function to click the particular link here. Click here link. Okay, now I'm clicking and I'm going to wait some time to see that whether it will be navigated or not. And then I'm going to use first switching into the title. Okay, and I'm going to use the switching. Now my title become new window. Okay, that is my new window. And then I'm going to use for assert dot stick equal, and then I can use for text, and here I'm going to see this particular text. Exist. Okay, now we can see whether it will be pass or fail. Okay, now I'm using for the title. As it is clicked and it's switched, and if it is a switch is not defined, sorry. Switches happen, we are able to see, right? Switch is perfectly is doing, and then uh, expected value to be strictly equal actual and expected, but something it is fair, but it is switching is happen perfectly, but something here is a problem. Basically we can do the same format here as well. The error validation it is failing. Yeah, now it is passed. Okay, now we saw the title, right? Even we can able to use the URL also. This is my URL. Okay, I'll use for await, switch to, then again I'm using for this URL. In the double quotation I'm provided. Okay, now same again I will run. Even you can use for title also. We have the title verification also we have. See that it is switching into the URL also. Both the cases it will work perfectly. Okay, like this we have to do for Windows switching. It's the easiest way. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.